Alright, I got here a 2020, I think, Chevy Silverado. Customer complaint is it's a no crank. It also, I think it died going down the street. And now it got nothing. Is this the one that has the recall on the engines? Let's see. Just a tracker. Alright, I'm gonna scan it with the, this is the Kingbolen K7, they sent it to me. K7, yeah. It's a nice little unit. It has a C charger. It's pretty much the same software as the top down and the launch, you know, that's the same type. We're gonna do a scan. Auto search. Now I'll do a health report. It does not have, it doesn't look like it has. Is there no communication, or that just means codes? It doesn't have high-speed scan. I guess that just means codes? Or is there no comm to the computer? Yeah, I don't see an engine light. Yeah. Alright, so maybe this doesn't have a seized engine. Alright, we have comm to the transmission control module. Alright, yeah, so we got 15 codes here. Are any of them lost comm with the ECM? Yeah. Lost comm with engine control, chassis control, park brake, electronic brake control module. That was a mistake. I meant to go back. Serial data gateway. Lost communication with engine control module. Inflatable restraint. Also lost comm with the brake module. Now, do we have comm with the brake module? No. We have no comm with the ABS and the computer. Alright, are we chasing a CAN issue or are we chasing a power and ground issue? Let me just go look under the hood quickly. One thing. Oh, there's a blown fuse right here. The 400 amp fuse, someone jumped across with a wire. That's not good. That's the main fuse. Here's a 250 amp fuse. That's probably the fuse. I'm almost sure that's the fuse for the starter motor. And someone jumped across it with a wire. Do you think this does have a seized engine? It usually blows this fuse when the engine seizes. Is this a 6.2? What's in there? 6.6. Did that also have the recall on it? Or was it just a 6.2? I'm not sure. Okay, but why would that make no comm to the computer? Let me get a test light. There. That should be a ground. Okay. Power lights up. Well, this one's also blown right here. Alright, so these two are blown. This is probably feeding our computer. This is probably like the main fuse. Should we just jump it like they did just to see, just to hear it click once? It for sure is a seized engine. But I just want to make sure we have comm if I jump this. What do I have on me to do this? Just put a piece of wire like they did without a fuse. Let's see what we can do. I didn't look at the size. I'm guessing. There you go, you hear that? The computer came alive. Okay, so let me just put this on. Is there a point, or it's a seized engine? But how to blow this fuse? Usually it just blows the 400 amp. Let me just get it. Let me just put this on. Alright, now this will be our fuse. This will melt before anything happens. This is going to be our fuse. More like, you know, the old style fusible links. Okay, let's just see if we have communication. I'm not trying to crank it. I'm sure there's anything major. Yep, our engine light's back on. Okay, so let me do another scan of this. Health report. Yep, okay, ECM's back online. Perfect. Alright, it's most likely a seized engine. I want to look up this and see if this one has a recall as well. No, the truck starts and runs. That is really, really surprising. Okay, I'm shutting it off because I don't want my thing to actually melt. That was more of a joke. That's crazy. So why did it stall? What happened? They need a new fuse box. Here, let me scan it, see what that code's for. So with this tool, you have to wait for it to finish the scan. You can't just go to like list, because it's already in list and it doesn't show it right away. What blew the main fuse? I don't know, but they also jumped the other fuse. Does this already have a second engine in it? Classic. Let's see, what is this? Transmission control module. Ignition on, switch start, circuit low voltage. Honestly, nothing really in here. I'm gonna clear everything. Alright, so what code's come back? Left park brake actuator, brake pad sensor. Okay, I don't want to put too much amperage through this fuse, so I'm just going to leave that for now. I'm not going to try to actuate it, but it doesn't seem like, let's just make sure it starts again. Yeah, it starts, it sounds totally healthy. So what I'm going to do is, alright, let's leave it off. Alright, I'm going to tell them they need a fuse box. Step number one. There's nothing obvious shorting right now. I'll look quickly under the truck. It could be they replaced the starter, they messed up. It could be it was reverse boosted. But there's no way for me to diagnose, unless, meaning there's too many options that could have happened, and I don't have any history. So I'm telling them to put a new fuse box in because this is dangerous anyway, and this one's blown. And when I mean a new fuse box, I mean this thing right here, this terminal. And if it happens again, then we'll come back and diagnose each thing separately. We'll diagnose what happened, but it's more likely that somehow it stalled, I don't know why, and then someone probably reverse boosted it, trying to get it to start, and blew two fuses and ran this and who knows what. Usually when the engine seizes, I've seen many of the 6.2s that seized, it always blows this fuse, the 400 amp fuse. I've never seen it blow the 175 amp fuse. So I'm just gonna look, make sure I don't see anything funny, and tell them it needs a fuse box. And unless I could run this more permanent, if I could run like a heavy wire from here to here, whatever, it needs a box anyway. Then if it happens again, I'll come back, because I know that the comment section is going to be like, well, yeah, fuses don't just blow by themselves. True, but there's so many things that could blow because of human error, like boosting it backwards, which I see all the time. So I'm not going to worry about it and sit and diagnose why the fuse blew. If right now the car didn't start, now it starts with a new fuse on. And if it happens again, great, they'll call me back again. And will I make another video? Maybe. Will I charge again? Yes. Just how it works. All right, thanks for watching.